A secret recipe for losing weight. You will lose 5 kilograms in only 2 days. In brief moments, a written explanation. Parsley is a commonly used herb for cooking, and we just love adding it to our salads and soups. We may be consuming it almost every day, but in small amounts, which is not nearly as much as we should if we want to reap its benefits. One of the best ways to slim down is to increase the amount of parsley in your everyday meals. You'll soon notice the pounds just shedding away. Have you heard about Dr. John Christopher? He is one of the most popular doctors who really understands the healing properties of each vegetable. He advises his patients to consume parsley every day, and he guarantees that it can help them with many different conditions. Actually, he claims that parsley is one of the best natural remedies against kidney diseases. A secret recipe for losing weight. You will lose 5 kilograms in only 2 days. Even if you're not experiencing any medical issues, you can still add it to your diet and exploit its slimming benefits, and we'll show you the simplest way to do it. The best way is to prepare some parsley tea and drink it throughout the day. Soon enough you'll notice the pounds melting away. With this parsley tea recipe you'll be able to lose 5 kilograms in just 2 days. Isn't it amazing? In addition to losing weight, this homemade parsley tea will help you flush the harmful toxins from your body. There are millions of other parsley tea recipes out there, but this is the most effective one for sure. Try it out and tell us what you think. Recipe: add 5 tbs of chopped parsley in 1 liter boiling water. Cover the pot and set it aside for 20 minutes, then strain the liquid. Also, you can drink the tea together with the chopped parsley. This tea is highly effective in treating all types of kidney diseases and urinary tract problems. It will eliminate bacteria, accumulated fluid and all toxic substances from the body through urine. Note: you should drink 2-3 cups of parsley tea on daily basis, but no more than 1 liter per day. If you like the video and you think it can help you, I invite you to give it a like, share the video with your friends and subscribe to my channel, so you don't miss any videos. Here you have other videos that may interest you.